Well, hello, we're at Lake Allatoona. It's officially my 31st birthday, and we're gonna celebrate out here with some friends. We got the jet ski, we got David's boat, and we're just setting up for everyone to come hang out and grill and chill. And that's how we do it. We got David,
we're setting up.
Ashley, putting up the hammocks. Perfect spot out here. We got the grill, food, all these tables now. Porta potties over that way. We're gonna set up this tent. There we go, we got the dogs in the water.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Because now you can do this.
You can eat, you can put your food right there.
Put your drink right there.
Yeah.
Drink.
Take a shot.
Take a shot.
Come in for another one. Take another shot.
Lime. Oh yeah, this is the spot right here.
We're just getting started. Hey, David, what's the biggest takeaway from your best life lesson?
Ooh,
That's a deep one.
that is a deep one. I mean, it's silly, but it's like play your own game.
Play your own game.
Just treat people with kindness. You never know what somebody else is going through, and on some of my worst days I've had people be nice to me and I didn't expect it, and it changed my whole day. So
My biggest takeaway is gratefulness. That's been one of the biggest key takeaways on my life I'm focusing on right now, and biggest lesson this year for me is just being grateful for the process. Trust the process, enjoy it, and be grateful for being alive, being out here, being 31, another year older. So, woohoo! Boom.
Don't worry about what other people think, and just live your life and have fun.
I was gonna say take care of yourself, be healthy, or you're gonna start falling apart.
Well, I hope I don't.
You better work out every day now for the rest of your life. Let's see those abs.
Oh, no, yeah, we're not there right now.
Hey, brother, how are you? Biggest life.
Communication, over communicate.
Love it.
Relationship wise, but funny. I mean, just go out, have a ball, fucking do it. Like, it's fun. Let's go.
Yee-hoo!
28, Brandon, YOLO. You know, too short.
No, that's perfect. Nice. This is the first time I've ever ridden one of these.
Oh, nice. Nailed it.
Oh gosh. Oh dude, I gotta get one of these. Tim's easy, he's got it. Oh yeah! He's in the wave. Oh! Got absolutely pitted. Spit him right out. Oh no! What the?
Oh, that is nice.
No.
Don't let your hands off in the
Oh. How are you feeling, David?
Feeling so good, dude.
Didn't know you're gonna be straight on.
Keep your friends that you grew up with.
Family is very important.
The mullet! Bro!
Keep it going.
I'm definitely keeping it.
Way down yonder on a Chattahoochee, it gets hotter than hoochie coochie.
These are sick.
Out of all your 34 years, what's your biggest life lesson to people?
Enjoy what you do. Yeah, enjoy work. You do it every day, just enjoy it.
Just go for it. You learn from your mistakes.
Go for it.
You're like, okay.
How old are you?
25. Right. Don't be afraid to chase your dreams when everyone's gonna tell you to just go the route that they took, because you're not gonna be happy in your life following someone else's passions or dreams or goals. You gotta chase your own, even if they're hard, they're difficult, they're not easy, and even if you don't even believe in yourself 100% of the time, like, you just gotta go for it.
Damn!
The rule was I needed to have 2 beers at all times.
Because you know why?
Why?
Because you're 2 Tims, baby!
DJ 2 Tim.
Let's go!
Life is too short to take it super seriously.
Biggest life lesson, don't take things too serious.
I just said
Hey!
that. I literally just said that.
But nobody's gonna know that you just said it.
He's gonna put him back to back.
Well, now they will, if you hadn't said anything.
I'm Alex's dad. I'm 62 years old.
Over your 62 years, give us a quick your best life lesson.
My best life lesson.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing with everyone.
Don't buy crypto.
Okay.
I'm kidding. Work hard, love people.
Mom?
I'm 62. I'm your mom. And a life lesson? Wow. Be kind. Always be kind and live, love, and always laugh.
Love it.
Okay.
There it is.
That's so awesome. What's happening, Ashley?
Happy
birthday. Blow them all out. That's it. Oh yeah, the victory one.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, once you're
I'll give you my direct deposit info. He's 29 now. That's our watermelon.
That's gonna bring her on.
Yeah, make sure you flex. Ah, close up, close up. There it is.
You can design the life you want.
Dude, with that accent. With that accent. Design the life that you want, mate. Eric, how do
People may say that I'm 15, but everything happens for a reason.
And we're back.
Boom, boom.
Sunset's going down.
Sunset's going down. We're doing a sunset cruise.
Yeah, we could do sunset cruise. Have a good day.
Oh, dude.
Solid. Look at this. Good ending to another perfect birthday here.
Like, comment, subscribe.
If 31's gonna go like this for the rest of the year, I mean, we're looking good. We're feeling good. We're looking good. Cheetos.
What, the phone? Yeah. No, the board. Oh.
They're just that good.
Is that red top over there? Red top.
Oh yeah. Wow, I'm gonna miss her when I get home. Right now I'm on this lake shore, sitting in the sun. Oh yeah. When I walk through that door tonight, yeah, I'm gonna miss her. Oh, looky here, I gotta buy